Salmon is the kind of thing that can be dressed up or down. On weeknights, it can be a great option for a quick dinner that requires little planning or effort. But on the weekend, when you have a little more time, maybe you're entertaining, you can zhuzh up those same salmon fillets with a little technique and a great classic French sauce. Chef Russell Klein of Meritage restaurant in St. Paul, Minnesota, has provided us a recipe for easy, crispy salmon served with melted leeks and beurre blanc. If you've never made beurre blanc at home before, fear not. It's a super simple emulsion of wine, shallot, and butter with a little lemon squeezed in at the end. So what to pair alongside this luxe salmon situation? Desta Marie Klein, who's wine director at Meritage as well as Russell's wife, pairs it with a white Burgundy, which is classic with salmon. The buttery quality in the wine links right up with the creamy sauce, and the apple and citrus notes in the wine go really well with the squeeze of lemon in the beurre blanc. For a plate that's rich, creamy, and a little tangy, it's perfect.